Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nesting Padasale. I hope you all have successfully written your Barc OCS examination. So in this video, we are going to do a complete analysis about the question paper. In the last part of the video, I had discussed about the cutoff, whether the cutoff will be increased or whether the cutoff will be decreased when you compare with the past year. So please watch the video continuously. Regarding to before entering into the concept like whether the question paper is easy or moderate or tough, I would like to add up from which particular portion more number of question has been asked. Regarding to cell biology, only one question has been asked from cell biology. That includes number of chromatid present in metaphase 1 and metaphase 2. I was expecting more question from cell biology because last paper, if you compare the paper 2021, I could be able to find a more number of questions from cell biology. But this year, questions from cell biology is very rare. Regarding to cell communications also, that is unit number 4 in CSCR syllabus, which is also last time more number of questions has been asked from cell communication, like with regarding to ECM matrix and all. But this year only two questions has been asked. One is with regarding to apoptosis, that to application oriented question. They were asking about wild type and BCL mutant and Bax mutant. They were giving a graph like that. So it is an application kind of question, and one question has been asked from cyclic AMP, but from cancer and all, no question has been asked. Because if you take cancer topic in all examination, if you take GATE examination, if you take CSA examination, at least one question will be coming from this particular cancer topic, which is very much important topic. But in this particular back examination, that is specifically for this particular academic year, no question has been asked from cancer. Regarding to biochemistry, as usual, biochemistry is again an important topic with regarding to Barc. At the same time, it is also an important topic for CSR also. They are asked one question is regarding to pH determination, and another question came from enzyme inhibition. Another question is came from gluconeogenesis. So regarding to this particular question that is asked from gluconeogenesis, it was again an application oriented kind of question. I don't know how many of you had answered that particular question. Okay, from molecular biology, from classical molecular biology, one question has been asked, like raw protein, one question has been asked. Rest of the question that has been asked from molecular biology is more of techniques involved in molecular biology. They were asking about gene and about enhancer sequence, promoter sequence. So only those students who have an idea about those sequence, they can able to answer those particular questions. We were expecting many questions coming from DNA repair pathways, and also we were expecting many questions from disease arising due to DNA repair. But from DNA repair, they had asked with regarding to photolyase enzyme, and then with regarding to this molecular biology, there were question asked from recombination. That was specifically they had asked about recombination in E. coli, like which particular complex is involved in resolving the holiday junction, like that question has been asked. So you should note about they had asked about E. coli. They didn't ask about eukaryotic. So how many of you had given correct answer? I don't know. Please do tell me how if you had given correct answer for those particular questions. And from immunology, 2 to 3 question has been asked from immunology. That too, a simplified question has been asked from immunology. So I think many of you had answered correctly those questions that has been asked from immunology and from botany. So I was expecting many questions regarding to plant tissue culture and animal tissue culture. But regarding to botany, 2 question has been asked regarding to botany. That is problematic sums has been asked. Both the question has been asked from ploidy level. They were asked about what is a chromosomal number when you cross this particular plant and that particular plant, like the question has been asked. And next question has been came from phytohormone. They had asked a question about ethylene hormone, and they had given 4 options. In that, which one of the option is not a function of ethylene, like that they had asked. And they had asked about Whihc genes. Like as I mentioned you here, it is a highly important topic. So from agrobacterium, Whihc gene question has been given. And regarding to general knowledge question, again radiation question has been asked. I think 3 to 4 question has been asked from radiation. Like there were questions regarding to NMR spectroscopy, like that. And from genetics pedigree question has been asked, and that is an easy question. And more number of question has been asked from methods in biology topic. Okay, so in case if you are preparing next year, first I will ask you to prepare a repeated topic. Why I am telling means if you take 100 question, 50 question has been asked from repeated units only. So these 50 question you can able to find that it has been already asked either in GATE Excel paper or GATE BT paper or DBT Bedjar examination. Even one question I could able to find that particular question has been asked last year, CSCR September 2022 examination question. If you revise means you can able to answer that particular question. That's how I had answered a correct answer for that particular question. It is with regarding to hierothodes. Okay, so they had asked about water droplets, which particular organ is responsible responsible for that particular thing. So the same question you can able to find the CSI September 2022. So nearly 50 question has been asked on repeated unit. So if you had studied the question paper, that is past year question paper for GATE Excel, GATE BT, DBT BJRF or CSER, then those students will be scoring at least 150 marks. Okay, if you had given correctly answer for those 50 questions, those 50 repeated question means definitely you can score 150 marks. And remaining 30 questions. So rest of the remaining 50 question, among the 50 question, 30 question if you take means it was nearly an application oriented kind of question. They are asked more advanced level of question, which is really a tricky, and few questions were a kind of trap kind of question. We don't know what is the correct answer for that particular question. Okay, and remaining 20 question were more unique question. You can't able to find those kind of questions in past year exams of various things. The only disadvantages for this Barc examination is that they won't release the past year question paper. Okay, so with regarding to Barc examination, if you are going to prepare for next year, that is specifically for biosciences, means please don't concentrate on developmental biology, ecology, evolution. From developmental biology, ecology, evolution and all, only very little question has been asked from those particular units. At the same time, from animal physiology also only one question has been asked, that was regarding to oxygen binding curve. And concentrate on plant physiology, that is system physiology in plant, that is specifically on photosynthesis mechanism and phytohormones. Next, concentrate on molecular biology. Next, concentration of cell biology and biochemistry. Instead of going for studying all the topic, just concentrate on a repeated topic or just take a notes for important topic and revise more, because in Barc examination more number of memory based question has been asked. That's the biggest disadvantage. If you are having a high memory power means, then for you definitely you will be clearing Barc examination, because you need to revise again and again. So that was with regarding this particular Barc examination. So overall the question paper was moderate. It was below moderate level. It was not that much hard, I can tell you, but it was not easy at all. When I compare the 2021 year question paper with this particular year question paper, this year definitely the question paper is very tough, because in 2021 year the question paper was very easy. It was came from topics which many students will be studying. Whereas with regarding to 2023, for me it is tough only, I can tell you. Regarding to cutoff, see, I have a question paper of only 2021 year. So last year the cutoff was around, I think so, it is 122.5. Okay, so this year the cutoff will definitely get decreased only. So don't worry, if you are attempted 40 questions correctly, definitely you will be cleared in the interview round. Okay, so don't worry about those particular things. If you want to know the expected cutoff for Barc examination, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Within few days I will be uploading the expected cutoff, because we need to analyze the many factors while determining the cutoff. So please do share your experience with regarding to this Barc biosciences examination, and I'll definitely upload you the answers for question for all the 100 question. I'm preparing the video, so soon I'll be uploading you. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.